Creating your video with the right tools. Biteable. Biteable is an online video advertising platform which you can use to generate the most profit with the least amount of effort, and it's free. Biteable turns your creative advertising ideas into great-looking digital video ads for mobile and desktop platforms. With Biteable's software platform, you can create your own custom ads. If you'd like to save even more time, simply choose the pre-designed video templates that Biteable offers, and your video ad will be done quickly. Some Biteable tips for advertising your business with an online video are: be creative, be relevant, be brief, repetition works, and don't forget to be playful. To start, just click on Get Started. It's free. You'll have to sign up just as you do with any other online application by using your name and email, or you could simply use Google or Facebook. As you'll notice, there are 5 different types of video you can create here: explainer, advertising, presentation, intro, and slideshow. You can also start from scratch. After making your choice, you'll be sent to the editor. The first step is your timeline. Here, you have to add your scenes. Biteable will automatically add amazing text and images. You can edit the text, preview the scene, or delete it. In the last scene, add your website with a call to action and add an image. Then click on Pick Colors. Here's where you'll add the colors behind your text, color palettes, or custom colors. Try to choose an option with contrasting colors, then click on Edit Audio. You'll be able to select a track or upload a track, click on Preview Video, and finally click on Build My Preview. After it's done, you can publish your video, upgrade to download it, and remove watermarks. It's just as simple as that. Snap Studio Plus. Snap Studio Plus is a simple yet elegant platform to build robust video ads at a very affordable price in minutes. You can build your video ad in 3 simple steps. The first step is to select. Just drop compelling photos or videos from Snap Studio Plus's stock library and select what you prefer. The second step is customize. Add text and music and use one of the 3 different ways to add a voiceover, which are directly into your computer, upload an audio file, or use the text-to-speech option. Just add your text in the type box and you'll get a voiceover from Snap Studio Plus. The third and last step is share. With Freeview, you don't pay until you're totally happy with your video. You won't spend anything until you're sure that Snap Studio Plus gave you what you need for your video ad. You can check a few examples to see how businesses are using Snap Studio Plus. Snap Studio Plus is free. You can purchase a download, purchase a stream, use the Do It For Me service, post, HD quality, licensed photos, or embed keywords. To start, click on Sign Up Now. Enter your full name, email address, and a password. Then click on Sign Up, or you can simply sign up with Facebook or Google. The first step is your style. There are 3 options they offer, but you can still look at more by clicking on Browse All. Just select the style you want. The second step is media. You can upload it, use your own media, or use stock media. For faster results, use the stock media. Simply choose the photos you'll use in your video and click on Apply Media. You'll also be able to replace the images, add text, edit, or remove. You can also drag to rearrange them. Then click on Next. The third and last step is audio. You can choose a slow, medium, or fast track, or simply upload your own music. You can even add voice to it. You just need to add text, select the language and country, and you'll see how long the voiceover will take. Click on Play to hear how the voice sounds. You can also upload a pre-recorded file, which is recommended, or decide not to have a voice. Click on Finish, and Snap Studio Plus will build your video. You'll then be able to purchase the video to remove the watermark. Vidyad. Vidyad allows you to create and edit videos online. Millions of recognized brands create, share, and publish video ads to promote their product, business, and services with this tool. One important detail of Vidyad is that it doesn't require a credit card. You just have to simply select your style, create your ad, and start advertising, so you can start sharing, promoting, and publishing. I assure you that the content you create will definitely get people's attention. As a matter of fact, companies that use these video ads have had success, while enjoying the ease that the tool offers to anyone who uses it. Go to the top and click on Sign Up. You can sign in with Facebook or by email. For the email option, enter your first name, email, and a password, and click on Sign Up. Then choose a video style or create your own from scratch. Every style has a name and a purpose, and you can see their description. Now, click on the style you want and click on Get Started. At the bottom, you'll just need to select the segment you want to work on. You may input options like Introducing, the title of the style, add text, image and clips, and a final message with your website. You can replace clips or images. For the final scene, add a logo, a call to action, a website, and change your CTA background color in the lower left-hand corner before the scenes appear. VidiAd lets you choose music for the video ad that you're creating. It has a round tree of options, and you have the power to choose which one will suit the purpose of your message. In the lower right corner, you can share your video in social media, copy the link, or download it. You'll also see the price details with the premium content you are using. Once you finish, click on Preview Video and you're ready to go.